People take up their professional career usually as per their passion or likeness to a particular stream, or maybe because one can make more profit or money out of it. Depending upon one's educational qualification and opportunities available at that particular period, people stick on to one or the other professional careers. Well, if that is true, then why most of the people doesn't consider photography as a good professional career? Think a while. Hi everyone, welcome back to Photo Mentor Pro, an exclusive platform to know more about photography. For many of us, photography is a passion as early as from our school or college days. Photography has been always a creative field. In fact, we love to click all that is around us, whether it's our pet, our favorite dress, our bike, our friends, our family, or even someone whom we have met on the streets. And of course, our ordered pizza or cappuccino. And above all, the most exciting thing is that we could make more money out of photography. With this, let's see how photography can become a wonderful professional career. Starting with the very well-known field of photography, that is the commercial photography, let's begin with fashion photography. Here you get involved in model shoots, catalog shoots, portfolio shoots, and many other such related photography shoots. Companies and businesses aim at selling their products or marketing their services every time. In such companies, product photography plays a key role. Commercial photography also come up with food photography and automobile photography, with almost everything being digitalized, from online shopping to online classes, digital marketing to social media marketing, online websites to online magazines, blogs, printing medias, telecasting media, live channels. All this demand for the commercial photography. It indeed opens a wide scope for advertising photography and e-commerce photography. There's a wide opportunity in event photography too, which is considered as one of the most paid photography careers nowadays. Whether you work for an event management company, wedding company, or work as a freelancer, you would find the photography career as profitable with wedding photography, function photography, and candid photography. You may also wish to make a career in wildlife photography, working for the television channels, magazines, online websites by specializing yourself in animals photography, birds photography, and insects photography, and capturing some of the amazing actions and expressions. Well, how can we miss the career in a very different aspect of photography called photojournalism, such as working for media photography, where you work with media houses, for television news channels, newspapers, magazines, and the online news websites. It also includes documentary photography and street photography. Now, if you are a person who loves to visit and explore different places, then travel photography would be a good career option, such as in travel and tourism photography, beautiful landscape photography, and nature photography. Further, you could even find scope in architecture photography, such as in historical monuments photography, building and construction photography, and the interior photography. There is pretty good opportunities in the special category of photography, followed by the photographers such as in studio photography, sports photography, portrait photography, and underwater photography. You may also build up career in medical photography, newborn or baby photography, and forensic photography. The interesting thing about photography field is that unlike any other professions, we have more and more career opportunities, known in different names and different categories. Until few years back, people were afraid to accept photography as their profession and even shied of mentioning themselves as photographers. But with improved technicalities, use of modern technology, fame, popularity, and income in photography, it has now become one of the professions with growing career opportunities. And now you could find lots and lots of people around you proudly introducing oneself by saying, I am a fashion photographer working for so and so brand. I am a wildlife photographer. I am a product photographer, wedding photographer, professional photographer. In fact, I am a photographer. Great impact, right? Hey friends, that's all about careers in photography. You may also find several other names and categories in photography career. Well, we have included some of the most common and easily available ones here. We'll be back with more information on how to make career in photography jobs, salaries, photography career after 12th, and many more. So stay connected. Click on bell button to get the notifications on our latest videos. And if you haven't yet subscribed our channel, then click on subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share. Stay safe and healthy until we meet next time. See you soon. Bye-bye.
And if you want to know more about photography tips, tricks, articles and portfolio, then please visit our website www.photomentorpro.com.